As a new representative, would you like to choose up to £210 worth of products? To do this, all you need to do is comfortably hit £250 in at least 2 out of your 3 campaigns. To achieve level 1 with a product pack worth over £70, all you need to do is do £250 in 2 campaigns. Level 2 can be achieved, and then you can choose 2 product packs worth over £140 if £250 can be achieved in 2 campaigns with total sales of £1,000. But let's aim high for level 3. You'll be able to choose 3 product packs worth over £210 if you can do £250 sales in all 3 campaigns with total sales of £1,500 or more. So how are you going to do this? The 90-day reward programme helps you to achieve this. You're going to earn with the instant brochure. So make sure you've downloaded AvonOn from the App Store or Google Play. You're going to share your new business far and wide. And you're going to do all this with training and support from Avon Connect and myself. So let's find the 90-day plan in Avon Connect, either via your laptop or phone or tablet. So log into your account and select Manage My Business. Now from here you're going to click Training and Development, and then once you click this you're going to click Avon Connects. So this is the screen that you're welcomed with, and if you just scroll down ever so slightly you want to click the box which says Get Started Rep 90-day training plan. You then click Let's Explore. You only need to do this training just 1 hour per week or 8 minutes per day, and new reps that complete the 90-day training have sales of up to 221% more. So it's really important that you do this training. Scroll down and find your first campaign box. Click on that, and it will take you to this screen, and then you can just click on week 1. When you click here you're going to see all these little snippets of information, videos, PDFs, and once you've completed them they grey out, so then you know that they're done. It really is up to you how you complete the training. You can watch 1 per day and follow the plan for your first 3-4 campaigns, or you could do everything all in 1 day and get it done and dusted. To check how much you've completed, we can just go back and you'll see a bar going across the middle, and that shows you what % you've done so far. So then you can do week 2, week 3, week 4, and if you just have a look here at campaign tools, you can have a look at this every campaign, and what it does is it promotes certain products that are coming out in the current brochure, so then you can have training on them through videos and PDFs. So if we go back, you will see this at the bottom once you've completed all those boxes, checking. So if we click that, it will bring us to this screen. So if we just click the purple box that says Launch Course, we now get asked a couple of questions to see if we can remember everything that we've learnt in our first campaign. You'd now go back to the home screen and find your second campaign and do the same again. Do it all again for campaign 3 and then you're done. But what if you want to access the 90-day reward programme through AvonOn? It really is quite simple. All you need to do is click the menu and click Avon Connect. Now the layout is much the same as the desktop version, so just find the panel that says Get Started and click on it. Scroll down and then again you'll find these panels and you want your first campaign. You can then complete in the same way that I showed you on the desktop version. Now in your week 1, don't forget to click on the 90-day tracker. This breaks down your sales for the next 4 weeks. So your target is to do £63 per week to be on track. So if you can, print this out and fill it in every week, and don't forget to tell me how you're getting on. Good luck!